Picking a hot Amazon niche. So is your body ready already? Of course it is. It's easy to get drawn in by the possibilities offered by becoming an Amazon affiliate, especially because it allows you the luxury of running a business with the economic benefits of e-commerce without the logistical headaches. But now you might be wondering, how do I get started? Well, as with everything good and profitable in life, you need to start in incremental steps. And you have to start by thinking about what you're going to promote in order to make some good money as an Amazon affiliate. What? Did you think that this would be as easy as just putting a lot of Amazon product links on a website and then calling it a day? Well, good luck with that. Because the first step into becoming a successful affiliate is finding out the type of niche products that are going to make you the most money as an affiliate. Start by checking the advertising fee rates. We recommend you take a look at the advertising fee rates associated with each product category before picking a niche to promote, because these fee rates combined with the price of your final sales will determine the final commissions that you earn through your Amazon affiliate sales. To find these advertising fees, simply go to the Amazon Associates homepage at affiliateprogram.amazon.com and click on Advertising Fees. Scroll down to the fixed standard program fee rates for specific product categories, where you will find the current fee rates for specific product categories. As you can see, fees vary from category to category, and some are higher than others. This will be important in one of our next steps. Find popular and best-selling categories. A good starting point is to simply select to promote niche products that belong in very popular categories. A good way to find popular categories and bestseller products is by going to amazon.com/bestsellers, where you will find up-to-date and real-time information about which products and niches are the most popular among Amazon customers. You shouldn't be surprised to learn that the most popular niche products are consumer goods and everyday products from categories such as clothing, electronics, pet care, baby care, personal care, appliances, automotive, fitness, sports, and home improvement. And you can find these popular categories listed on the left side of the page. An easy way to figure out when products in a niche are selling like hotcakes is when their categories are featured on Amazon's bestseller section, such as in the case of the electronics category here, which we're going to check. Look for high-priced products to promote. Once you find a cool, popular category, make sure that there are actually products that can make you a fat and steady profit in there. You see, there are two approaches to earning by commission as an affiliate. You either earn by selling tons of low-priced products, or you earn big by selling high-priced products. Take, for example, that you decide to promote cheap Bluetooth headphones just because they sell fast. But have in mind that a low-priced product won't make you much relative to the product's fee rate, and that most of these items are bought directly from the marketplace. The best approach, then, is to find a niche with high-priced items. In our case, we're going to select home theater systems as our niche because home theater systems are some of the most expensive items found in the electronics category. Another benefit of picking high-priced niche products to promote is that people spending high amounts of money on a single product like to make informed purchases, and they tend to search for information on multiple sites before deciding over a product, which will direct organic search engine traffic to your affiliate site. Another benefit is that high-price items are bought by a portion of the population with good spending power, which means that people buying one of your expensive products are also likely to buy something else through your affiliate link, making you a larger commission.